Welcome to another quick and easy German lesson for beginners. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say Merry Christmas in German the proper way. I'm Salome and I'm a native certified German teacher from Frankfurt. Every week I bring you German lessons on my YouTube channel, so if you don't want to miss out, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new lesson. Alright, let's get started. Los geht's! There are a few ways to wish someone a Merry Christmas in German. And just like in many other countries, there is a variety of phrases that might come in handy, especially when you aren't sure whether the other person is celebrating Christmas or not. If the person is celebrating Christmas, you can say Frohe Weihnachten. Frohe means merry and Weihnachten means Christmas. Repeat after me. Frohe Weihnachten. You can also say fröhliche Weihnachten. Fröhlich means festive or joyous. Fröhliche Weihnachten. If you want to specifically refer to the festivities, you can also use the word fest and say frohes Fest, which means a happy celebration. Frohes Fest. Or to be more specific, frohes Weihnachtsfest. Frohes Weihnachtsfest. If the other person is not celebrating Christmas or you simply want to keep things a little bit more neutral, you can say schöne Feiertage. Schön technically means beautiful, but in this context it's more suitable to translate it as happy. And die Feiertage are the holidays. So happy holidays in German is schöne Feiertage. Noch einmal. Schöne Feiertage. Most of the time, people spend the holiday season with their family, so if you don't see the other person until after the new year, you can add einen guten Rutsch, which basically means a good slide into the new year. Einen guten Rutsch. Alright, let's put this together. Frohe Weihnachten und einen guten Rutsch. Frohe Weihnachten und einen guten Rutsch. If you want to learn more important Christmas vocabulary and traditions in German, then definitely check out this video right here to bring you more German Christmas vibes. And if you have liked this quick and easy lesson, then don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel to grow and get the message out to more German learners just like you. I really appreciate you guys and thank you so much for watching. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!